Hey friends, do you all like going to birthday parties? I'm sure you must be wishing your friends, family, happy birthday to you. But today, you are going to wish your friends and family in a very unique way. By these heart cards, you can write birthday wishes on these flaps and your family and friends are going to love it. So do you want to learn this? It's very interesting. So let's get it started. अब एक मिनट पॉज करो, एक मिनट। So friends, isn't this card easy and simple? You can make this card and you can wish your teachers and relatives on different occasions. If you like making these simple and easy craft, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.